Picture a world where money is not just pieces of paper or numbers in a bank account, but a dynamic, flowing energy. Welcome to the world of magnetic energy. This mindset shift in understanding money is what we call money energy. It's the transformative nature of money that is as real and tangible as the cash in your wallet or the digits in your bank account. Let's take a journey with Alex, a millennial who, like many, was stuck in a financial rut. He was living paycheck to paycheck, unable to save, and was constantly worrying about money. But everything changed when he started viewing money as an energy. So, what does it mean to see money as energy? In essence, it means recognizing that money, like energy, is neither created nor destroyed. It changes forms, it flows, it can be stored or released, and above all, it can be harnessed. Alex started to see his paycheck not just as a means to pay bills, but as an energy he could direct into different forms. He began investing a portion of his income, using his money's energy to create more wealth. He donated, understanding that the energy of his money could positively impact others. And he spent wisely, acknowledging that his personal spending was another way of directing this energy. This change in mindset transformed Alex's financial situation drastically. He was no longer living paycheck to paycheck. Instead, he was directing his money energy, creating a flow of money that not only met his needs, but also contributed to his wealth and the well-being of others. The story of Alex is not unique. It's the story of anyone who understands the transformative power of money energy. It's the story of anyone who has moved from financial stress to financial freedom. And it can be your story too. Money, like energy, is not static. It transforms and flows like water. It's time for you to learn how to harness this energy for your financial independence. Say goodbye to financial stress and hello to a life of ease, abundance, and prosperity with these 15 money lessons. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Ever noticed how money changes forms? From investments to donations, it's all part of the money energy cycle. Just think about it. That hard-earned cash you invest in stocks or real estate, it transforms into a more valuable asset over time. Or when you donate to a cause you care about, your money becomes a force for good, creating positive change. Even when you're just out shopping, spending money on things you love or experiences you enjoy, you're actively participating in this cycle, transforming your money into joy and fulfillment. But remember, it's not just about spending or giving away, it's also about receiving and growing your wealth. This transformative nature of money is what makes it such a powerful tool. So don't view money as just paper or numbers in a bank account. See it as energy that can be transformed and harnessed. Money's transformation is a testament to its fluidity and your potential to harness it to create wealth for your financial freedom journey. Lesson 2. Financial setbacks? Consider them temporary pauses, not full stops. You see, in the grand scheme of things, these setbacks are simply part of the journey. They may feel like stumbling blocks, but with a shift in perspective, they can be stepping stones to greater financial freedom. Every financial setback carries a lesson, an opportunity for growth. It might be a failed investment, a job loss, an unexpected expense. But remember, money is energy, and energy is always in motion. It can leave, yes, but it also has the potential to return, often in different, unexpected forms. It could come back as a new job opportunity, a successful investment, or even an idea that sparks a lucrative business. So when you face a financial setback, don't let it discourage you. Instead, embrace it, learn from it, grow from it, and most importantly, keep moving forward. Remember, setbacks are setups for comebacks. Lesson 3. Want more money energy to flow to you? Start by giving. It may sound counterintuitive, but it's a key principle of money energy. You see, money is not a one-way street. It's a cycle, a flow, a give-and-take dance of value. When you contribute value, whether it's your time, talent, or treasure, you're not just spending. You're investing. You're planting seeds that will grow and return to you many times over. Think about it. When you invest in a business, you're giving money, but you're also expecting returns, right? The same principle applies to all forms of contribution. When you donate to a cause, you're not just giving away money. You're investing in a better world, and that's priceless. When you spend on personal development, you're not just shelling out cash. You're investing in yourself, and that's the best investment you can make. So don't just think of giving as a loss. In the world of money energy, giving is indeed receiving, and this, my friends, increases wealth. Lesson 4. Your energy levels have a secret connection to your financial abundance. Yes, you heard it right. It's like a magnet, attracting opportunities and wealth. Picture this. You're at your best when you're buzzing with energy, right? You're more productive, creative, and ready to take on the world. Now, imagine channeling that high energy into your finances. You're more likely to spot opportunities, make smart decisions, and take calculated risks. You're essentially turning your energy into a money-making powerhouse. But here's the catch: maintaining that high energy level isn't always easy. It requires a balanced lifestyle, complete with good nutrition, regular exercise, and enough rest. And don't forget the importance of passion, joy, and having fun in life. Engage in activities that light up your soul and watch how your financial abundance grows. So, what's the key takeaway? Your energy isn't just about feeling good. It's a critical ingredient for financial success. Stay energized, stay abundant. Lesson 5. A positive mindset is the key to unlocking your financial potential. This is more than just a catchy phrase, it's a fundamental truth. You see, our thoughts directly influence our actions, and our actions shape our financial reality. So, what does a positive money mindset look like? It's a belief that you deserve wealth and are capable of achieving it. It's about seeing money as a tool, not a goal, and understanding that wealth goes beyond dollar signs. Furthermore, maintaining physical health is essential for a positive mindset. When you feel good physically, your mind follows suit. It's easier to stay focused, motivated, and confident, all of which are crucial for financial success. Finally, engage in joyous activities. Do what you love, and money will follow. It's the joy that fuels your energy, creativity, and productivity, ultimately attracting more wealth into your life. After all, your mindset determines your money mindset, which determines your wealth. Lesson 6. Ever thought of tuning your energy to match the frequency of money? It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? Just like a radio station, money operates on a specific frequency. When you align your energy with this frequency, you open up a channel for abundance to flow freely into your life. Imagine your energy as a tuning fork. When you strike it, it resonates at a certain pitch. Now, imagine money also has its own unique pitch. The trick is to get your tuning fork to match that of money. But how? By cultivating positive attitudes towards wealth, by practicing gratitude, by visualizing your financial success, and by taking actions that reflect your belief in abundance. This is not about getting money. It's about being in the energy of money and embodying wealth. When you vibrate at the same frequency as money, you become a money magnet. Tune into the money frequency and watch your wealth grow. Lesson 7. Money loves those who love it back. It's a simple statement but loaded with profound truth. Let's break this down. Have you ever noticed that when you're excited about something, it seems to gravitate towards you? That's because your energy is attracting it. This same principle applies to money. When you develop a fondness for money and the good it does in the world, and appreciate it for what it is, a tool that can provide comfort, freedom, and opportunities, you begin to attract it into your life. It's essential to focus on abundance, not scarcity. Instead of thinking about how little you have, think about all the ways abundance and money flow into your life. Remember, money is energy. It responds to your feelings and thoughts about it. So cultivate an attitude of love and respect towards money. Honor it, appreciate it, use it wisely, and most importantly, believe in your ability to attract and manage it. Love and respect money, and it will love and respect you back. Lesson 8. Money isn't meant to be hoarded. It's meant to flow and circulate. The energy of money is like water. If it stays stagnant, it starts to lose its vitality, becoming stale and unproductive. But when it flows freely like water, it brings life, prosperity, and abundance to everything it touches. Think of it this way. When you give, you create a vacuum that the universe rushes to fill. Your generosity isn't just about giving money away. It's about circulating energy, creating a positive ripple effect that comes back to you tenfold. On the other hand, hoarding money is like holding your breath. You might feel safe for a while, but eventually, you'll need to exhale. The same goes for money. Let it move, invest it, donate it, spend it, enjoy it. In doing so, you breathe life into your finances, sparking a cycle of prosperity that keeps on giving. Let your money flow, and you'll never be low. Lesson 9. Helping others financially creates a positive ripple effect. Imagine a pond. When you toss a stone, it creates ripples that spread out from the point of impact. Now picture that stone as your financial help, and the ripples as the positive effects it brings, not just to the person you've helped, but further impacting their family, their community, and even coming back to you. This isn't just about karma, though that's a part of it. It's about the energy of money. Money loves to be in motion. to flow, to create change. When you help others, you keep that energy moving, and in turn, that energy can flow back to you, maybe through new opportunities, connections, or even direct financial return. Remember, it's equally important to be open to receiving help. This maintains the balance, the give and take, that keeps the energy of money in a healthy flow. When you help others, you're also helping yourself. Lesson 10. Money isn't just for personal gain, it's for a greater cause. Imagine a world where every penny you earned had a purpose beyond just filling your pockets. This is the concept of purpose-driven wealth. It's not about hoarding money for the sake of it. It's about using that wealth to create a ripple effect of positive change. Think about it. When you invest in a business, you're supporting someone's dream. When you donate to a charity, you're providing aid to those in need. When you spend on experiences that truly enrich your life, you're investing in your own happiness. Purpose-driven wealth goes beyond the surface. It's about seeing the broader picture and understanding that your wealth can be a tool for positive change. It's about aligning your financial goals with your values and passions. When you align your wealth with purpose, abundance follows. Now, isn't that a wealth strategy worth pursuing? Lesson 11. Believe in your value and your worth, and you'll become a magnet for money. Now, doesn't that sound like a mantra you'd love to live by? It's not just a catchy phrase, it's a principle that could change your life. You see, money loves value. It gravitates towards those who have something to offer, something that can solve problems or fulfill needs. Think about it. The money in your wallet right now, it was once in someone else's. And why did it end up with you? Because you offered something of value. This could be your time, your skills, your product, or even your knowledge. The key here is to believe in the value of your offerings, your worth, your gifts, your skills, your talents, and your abilities. Yes, you have something to offer that's unique to you, and it's valuable. It's easy to undervalue ourselves. We often fall into the trap of comparing our abilities to others. But remember, you are unique, and so is your value. So how do you become a magnet for money? Start by recognizing your value. What problems can you solve? What needs can you fulfill? Next, believe in your value. Know that what you offer is worth something. And finally, communicate your value. Let others know what you can do and how it can help them. When you do this, you're not just attracting money. You're attracting opportunities, experiences, and connections. You're inviting abundance into your life. And remember, this isn't about becoming greedy or self-centered. It's about acknowledging your worth and understanding that you deserve to be compensated for your value. Let's not forget, becoming a money magnet is not about quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about consistent action, authenticity, and innovation. It's about creating unique value instead of competing. It's about solving real problems for people. And when you do this, you're not just attracting money, you're creating wealth. So, here's your mantra once again. Believe in your value, and you'll become a magnet for money. Repeat it, believe it, live it. Because, my dear friends, you are a money magnet. Now go and attract your wealth. Lesson 12. Consistent action, not luck or quick schemes, is the key to financial abundance. This is the mantra that we need to engrave in our minds. You see, the journey to financial abundance is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires persistent effort, unwavering focus, and most importantly, consistent action. You can't expect to hit the jackpot overnight. It's not about luck. It's not about finding a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about the consistent day-to-day actions that you take towards your financial goals. It's about making smart choices, investing wisely, learning continuously, and taking calculated risks. Remember, every little step counts. Every action, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goal. So don't underestimate the power of consistent action. Don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep pushing forward, keep taking action, and sooner or later, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. On the contrary, relying on luck or quick schemes for financial success is like building a castle on sand. It may look impressive at first, but it won't stand the test of time. It's not sustainable. It's not reliable. So, my dear friends, let's not leave our financial future up to chance. Let's take control. Let's take consistent action. And remember, consistent action is the true key to unlocking your financial potential. So here's your mantra for today. Consistent action, not luck or quick schemes, is the key to financial abundance. Repeat it, believe it, live it, because you have the power to create your own financial abundance. Now go and take action. Lesson 13. In the world of money energy, It's not about competing. It's about creating unique value. In the race to financial abundance, it's easy to fall into the trap of competition, to constantly compare ourselves with others, to always strive to outdo others. But let me tell you, that's not the way to go. Instead, focus on creating unique value. Focus on bringing something new, something different, something authentic to the table. Because that's what attracts money energy. That's what sets you apart. That's what makes you valuable. Innovation and authenticity are the keys to creating unique value. Don't just do what everyone else is doing. Don't just follow the crowd. Instead, carve your own path. Create your own niche. Offer something that only you can offer. Because that's where your true value lies. On the contrary, if you focus on competing, you're just setting yourself up for stress and disappointment. Because there will always be someone who's doing better than you. There will always be someone who's ahead of you. But if you focus on creating unique value, you're setting yourself up for success. Because you're not competing with anyone. You're not trying to be someone else. You're simply being the best version of yourself. And that's more than enough. So my dear friends, don't get caught up in the race. Don't get lost in the competition. Instead, focus on creating unique value. That's where your financial abundance lies. That's how you attract money energy. That's how you create your own financial success story. So let's not compete. Let's create. Let's create unique value. Lesson 14. Your imagination is a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals. As we've learned, creating unique value is key to attracting money energy. But how can we unlock this unique value within us? The answer lies in the power of your imagination. Visualization plays a pivotal role in achieving financial goals. When you vividly imagine your financial success, you're not just daydreaming. You're aligning your subconscious mind with your conscious objectives. It's like setting a GPS for your financial journey. Your mind begins to recognize the opportunities, the resources, and the pathways that can lead you to your envisioned destiny. So how can you use your imagination as a tool for financial success? Start by setting aside quiet time each day for visualization. Picture yourself achieving your financial goals. Imagine the feeling of financial freedom and abundance. Visualize every detail, the lifestyle, the confidence, the peace of mind. But don't just see it, feel it. Embrace the emotions associated with your envisioned success. This emotional connection is what truly fuels your subconscious drive towards financial abundance. So let your imagination run wild. Use it to paint a vivid picture of your financial success. It's one of your greatest tools for financial freedom. So harness the power of your imagination and let it guide you towards your financial goals. Lesson 15. Gratitude and growth are often overlooked aspects of financial abundance. As we journey towards financial success, it's important to express gratitude for our financial blessings, no matter how small. Gratitude not only fosters positivity, but also aligns us with the energy of abundance. It's an affirmation to the universe that we appreciate the flow of money into our lives, inviting more of it. Start your day by expressing gratitude for the financial blessings you have received, and end it by expressing gratitude for the financial blessings yet to come. But what about challenges? How can we be grateful for them? Challenges, setbacks, they are not roadblocks but opportunities for growth. They provide valuable lessons that can guide us towards financial success. They make us resilient, adaptable, and more equipped to handle the uncertainties of our financial journey. So don't shy away from challenges. Embrace them, learn from them, grow with them. Remember, they're your stepping stones to financial abundance. So express gratitude for your financial blessings and see challenges as opportunities for growth. This mindset is key to aligning with the energy of financial abundance. If you've enjoyed and found this video helpful, please subscribe to ATB Financial Freedom and join a community dedicated to understanding the energy of money and leveraging it for greater abundance in their lives. By subscribing, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge and insights on financial freedom, wealth building, and creating an abundance mindset. Imagine a life where money is not a source of stress, but a tool for creating the life you desire. A life where you're not just surviving, but thriving, flourishing, and enjoying. That's the power of understanding and aligning with money energy. So are you ready to embrace financial abundance? Are you ready to transform your relationship with money and create a life of ease and prosperity? Don't wait. Subscribe to ATB Financial Freedom today and start your journey to financial abundance. Comment below. What is your favorite money lesson? Remember, your wealth is in your hands.